This question says, Beta Company is a geared company with a weighted average cost of capital of 22%. It's about to issue some new shares under a rights issue to enable it to repay all of its debt finance. The debt finance is a corporate bond with a coupon rate of 4% and a yield of 5%. The gearing ratio of Beta is currently 40%, measured as debt value over equity value, and the corporate tax rate is 30%. What is the weighted average cost of capital of Beta Company after the refinancing? Now, this is a Modigliano and Miller formula based question. And there's a couple of things to be aware of here. It does say we are going to repay all of the debt finance. So after the refinancing, this company is going to be an all equity company. So when it asks you to work out the weighted average cost of capital, this means the weighted average cost of capital is going to be the same as the ungeared cost of equity once it has been refinanced. So the Modigliano-Miller formula stated that your adjusted weighted average cost of capital equals your ungeared cost of equity 1 minus the value of your debt times the tax rate over the value of debt plus the value of equity. So this part here, this is what your weighted average cost of capital is at the moment as it's geared. This is 0.22, 22%. This is the figure we want to work out what your ungeared cost of equity will be, because that will be the same as the new weighted average cost of capital. 1 minus your debt. It tells you that your gearing ratio, you've got 40% debt. The tax rate is 30% over your debt, which is 40%. And then just be careful this equity. This 40% of your debt is based on a gearing ratio of debt to equity. So your debt is 40% the size of your equity. So if debt is 40, equity is 100. We can then go through, work all of this out and rearrange it to find the ungeared cost of equity. So if we do this just one step at a time, 0.3 times 40 divided by 140, and you get 0.0857. If you then subtract that from 1, you get 0.9143. You can then divide both sides by 0.9143. They will cancel out on the right, but on the left hand side this will then give us our final answer, 0.9143 divided into 0.22 will give us approximately 0.241, and therefore the correct answer is B.